Here I've got Huawei Honor 9X, and let me show you how to change the date and time on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then go to System and Updates, and then select the date and time. And here you can either use automatic date and time, or you can turn it off. And now you can set the date and time manually by yourself. So from now on it's up to you what date and time it currently is. You can also change the time zone. Here you've got all the options. As you can see, everyone will find something suitable, and let me choose Bangkok. Then you can also activate 24-hour format clock if you do prefer it, or you can switch off and have 12-hour format time. And here you can deactivate or activate dual clocks, so once it's active, you will have the second clock which will display the hour in your hometown. And this is it. Then if you'd like to go back to automatic setup, just tap on those switchers. So that would be all. This is how you can change date and time in your Honor 9X. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.